Have you ever encountered a situation where a governmental action or policy felt deeply unfair, or perhaps like an overreach of authority? Understanding when your fundamental liberties are at stake is crucial for maintaining a just society. A constitutional rights violation fundamentally occurs when a government entity, whether federal, state, or local, infringes upon a right that is guaranteed to individuals by the United States Constitution, without a legally sound justification or due process. It is important to remember that these protections primarily shield citizens from governmental actions, not from private individuals or organizations. The core mechanism behind a violation is a government action that directly impedes a specific constitutional freedom, such as freedom of speech, protection against unreasonable searches, or the right to due process. These rights are enshrined in various amendments, most notably the Bill of Rights and the 14th Amendment. For an infringement to rise to the level of a violation, the government's action often lacks a compelling governmental interest, is not narrowly tailored to achieve that interest, or is applied arbitrarily or discriminatorily without a fair process. You can spot potential signs of a violation by looking for several indicators. These include a government agent performing a search or seizure without probable cause or a warrant, restricting your speech in a public forum without a clear and compelling safety reason, or denying you a fair hearing before taking away a significant interest like property or liberty. Another sign might be unequal treatment by a government agency based on characteristics like race, religion, or national origin, without a very strong and legitimate government purpose. It is also key to recognize the concept of state action, which means the infringement must be traceable to a government actor, not just a private party. When courts assess alleged violations, they often apply different levels of scrutiny. For instance, infringements on fundamental rights or those involving suspect classifications, like race, typically trigger strict scrutiny. Requiring the government to prove its action is necessary to achieve a compelling government interest and is narrowly tailored. This high bar makes it difficult for the government to justify such infringements. By familiarizing yourself with these signs and the underlying principles of constitutional protection, you become better equipped to recognize when governmental power might be exceeding its lawful bounds. This knowledge empowers you to uphold the foundational principles of justice and liberty that are essential to our constitutional framework, ensuring that individual rights remain safeguarded against unwarranted intrusion.